Welcome to Convisi Organic Farms, where you learn simple organic farming tips. If what you planted in sacks are not growing fast or they are not growing well, your soil might be the problem. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the perfect soil mix for a healthy sack farming. First of all, use topsoils like loamy soil. Mix it well with compost or manure. And you can also use soils that has earthworm in it. This earthworm helps in soil aeration. It helps you to loosen your soil, and it also improves your soil. And this mixture gives your crops nutrients. Always avoid clay soil alone. Clay soil holds too much water, and your crops in sacks does not need and does not like too much water. If not, your crops will die. So your soil determines your harvest. So don't get it wrong this time around. Follow Convisi Organic Farms for more smart farming tips and start growing your own food anywhere, anytime. God bless you. Bye bye. Enjoy watching Convisi Farms. And please don't forget to like, share, comment so that Convisi Farms videos can go viral and we will grow together and you enjoy this channel. Bye bye.